Siyona, and today we're gonna do like a scratch project tutorial, and that's called a virtual pet. So like a pet is like you take care of like a dog, a cat, and like other things, like hedgehog, like imaginary things that you like to do. So like pets that you can feed off and mostly anything. So today we're gonna actually make a virtual pet. So I'm very excited. So first I'm gonna go choose a sprite. You can choose any sprite you want. Mostly, yeah, you can mostly do a lot of sprite. So how about let me get like any type of pet. Because I'll just choose like a random pet. How about like let me type it. Yeah, I like this one. It's a dog. So I got here the space dog or dot. So I can move it everywhere like that in my speech. Then I'm going to choose a backdrop because it doesn't want to be plain and other things. So how about let me do the garden rock. So let me put the sprite over here. And to make, we can choose, first we're going to put where my pet will be. So I got my pet right here. Let me go events. Let me get to one green flag clicked. And then I'm going to motions. So, and we're going to take this box. So what it's going to do is when the green flag is going to click, it's going to go to that place. And it will not go any other place. So we're going to do that. After that, I want to make it like say something and when it clicks. So let me go when the sprite is clicked. Okay? And then after that, I'm going to make it looks. I'm going to make it say something. So how about say hello? And I'm going to make another say hello. 2 seconds. And I'm going to get my name is Dot. So I got this, the introduction. Now let's make our pet eat something. So how about let's get like another sprite, like a food sprite. How about like apple or like something? I'll get an apple right here. So I'm gonna put this apple right here, this corner. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the apple. I'm going to make this apple in the same place where it's what I did in that dot, but it's going to be a different position. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I want to make it get the dot eat the apple. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click, when I'm going to click the apple, the dot will go to the apple and then eat it and then go back to the spot. So how to do that? So I'm going to go to, like, when I'm going to go to the events, I'm going to take this one sprite clicked. And then after that, I'm going to go to, like, I'm going to go, and we're going to broadcast message. So if you don't know what broadcasting means, so broadcasting is, like, we're going to, like, a sprite is, like a broadcasting, like, a message, like, sending a message to the device or like something to the stage like that, and then someone can receive the message that sent to, and then they can do something with it. So this is, I'm going to take the broadcast message and I'm going to rename this. I'm going to click new message and I'm going to have a food. Okay, so I got food, and after that I'm going to actually go to dot, back to dot. I'm going to go to receive, when I receive food there, then what I'm going to do is like, we're going to go to that person, go to the apple. So I'm going to go to glide 1 second to apple, okay? And we want the chomp sound to know that the dot is actually eating. So let me get the sounds tab. Let me now I got a chomp sound right here. So I get chomp sound. here, then I'm gonna go to code, and I'm gonna go to sounds tab. Then I'm gonna like, when it goes to Apple, I'm gonna make like a chomp sound, okay? And then I'm gonna go to control. I'm gonna click wait for 1 second block. Then I'm gonna go back to the position. So I'm gonna take a glide to a position. It's already written on that. So it should be same of this. So it goes back to the back position. So let's do it. We're done. So let's check if it's working or not. So let me click on this dot. It says, hello, my name's Siyona. Now when I click on the apple, it goes, see, you hear the chomp sound. It hears, you can eat the chomp. It's chomping, and then goes back. It's working. Now let's check its hunger. Then we'll know when to feed the pet. So let me go to the variables tab. Let me click make a variable for all sprites, and I'm gonna write food. Okay, so food. Then I got my food variable. After that, I'm gonna actually go to the green flag. When the green flag clicked, I'm gonna click like mostly. I'm gonna do the forever loop. I'm gonna get this change food by 1, but I'm gonna also make it wait, because if we don't add a wait block, it'll just like keeping the hunger very big, a large number, and we cannot feed it very. So let's wait 1 second block, and I'm gonna change 1 to 5. So wait 5 seconds, then change food by 1. After we're done with the checking, now let's make it set. We also need to go to the variables tab, go to 1 green flag. Then I'm gonna click set food to 0, so it'll not be very hungry in the starting. So yeah, and we also want to, when it eats, we want to make the hungry low, that they're not hungry anymore. So I'm gonna go to get a change food my -1. Okay, so when I go glide once again, and then I'm gonna go right here. Now let's see if it's working. So I'm gonna do click dot. It says hello, my name is dot, and then I'm gonna click on the apple. Chomp, then goes back to the beginning, and let's see, when I click, there's a lot of food, hungry, so let me click on it. See, it's going low. Let me click it again. Yeah, it's going low, so it's actually working. So I hope you really like this video, and if you have any questions, you can put in the comments below, and bye.